Hi everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech. Today I'm going to be taking a quick look and unboxing and test fit of this Moko case for the iPad Pro. Now this is for the iPad Pro, original iPad Pro version, the 12.9 inch from, I don't even know what year it was, 2016, 2017. And I've had this iPad and used it a lot over the years, and it's still awesome, still fast, big, all of that. So haven't had any need really to upgrade it, and just wanted to kind of take a look at this case. I do want to thank Moko for sending this over to the channel for a honest review. I do appreciate that a lot. Thank you so much. So Moko, if you don't know, they make tons of cases for all sorts of things. I'm sure if you've looked on Amazon at all, you've probably stumbled across their cases for a wide variety of different devices, and this is for the iPad. So we'll just take a quick look at it. This comes in this plastic Now this is a bit of a kind of leather material, leather-like material. I'm not sure it's real leather, but it's like leather. And what is cool is it does have a slot for the Apple Pencil. The Apple Pencil is a great thing to have. So you have this kind of glossy interior, soft interior, not soft, but TPU, kind of rubbery, edges are rubbery. There's a microfiber, I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but like a microfiber suede feeling covering on the inside of the cover. So they kind of protect your screen when you close it on the device. Have your typical cutouts on the bottom for lightning connector, speaker ports, and the like. Camera cutout, buttons for your volume up, down, for your power, and all that. So go ahead and put this in, and as you can see, fits pretty nicely. Again, this thing is big. I don't know if I got another iPad, I probably would not get one this big. It was cool at the time, but personally need something a little bit smaller for it to be more portable, I guess. So I'll show you here, Apple Pencil. I'm assuming it goes in this way. So Apple Pencil fits right there. So you got a storage place for your Apple Pencil. I don't know what these other slots are up here at the top. Not sure what those would be for. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'd have to, if I figure it out by the time I post this, maybe it's, you can put the pencil in there like that. I doubt it's for that. But anyways, it looks like there's a couple things there I'll have to take a look at, figure out what those are for. But yeah, so if it kind of fits in there like that. And you can do your typical stand action there. Keeps it at that angle, or you can also turn it around like this. Like that. I'm going to tilt this down a little bit so you can see. And you have your multi-angles. And then that covers it up real nicely. Yeah, overall, really nice case. So I'll have to kind of see how this holds up over time. It feels like it would hold up really good. It feels very well constructed. TPU material, give it a lot of drop protection if you do end up dropping this, which I would advise you not to drop it because these things are expensive. All the cutouts work good, button placement's nice, and all that. It's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for an iPad case. They make a whole line of cases for obviously all the different iPads. So definitely go take a look at those on Amazon. I'll link to it in the description below. If you have any questions, go ahead and post those below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you really like the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.